Railroad Preserver 2000 here, back again doing another video here. And in this video I was going to just show you guys this track maintenance equipment that CSX has stored here on this siding. Figured I'd show this to y'all right quick since I'm here. I'm going to stay on this side of the tracks and not on the side that's active. Now forgive me, I don't know what all this stuff does, but I know it serves quite a few purposes. You can see they've got pretty much the whole maintenance fleet here, and forgive me, but my camera battery is only at 56 minutes, so I won't be able to show a lot. I've seen video of these things being used beforehand, but yeah, well, not these exact machines, but close to it. You can see there's all the hydraulics that they use, milepost 506, but you can see this equipment line goes all the way down there. Keep in mind, CSX, and I'm pretty sure their employees make sure these are locked so that people don't break into them. And I know for certain that the keys are not in them, so that's good. That's always good. I think this is used for the ballast. You can see they've got it well oiled, that's for sure. Well, that's neat. So this is what they use to pick up all the stuff alongside the tracks, like spikes and whatnot. That's a nice... Those are electromagnets, I think. Well, actually, are they magnets? They look like them. I don't think those actually are magnets. Forgive me, y'all. I probably am getting all this mixed up. Y'all let me know in the comments of this video what these are exactly, because I really don't know. And I know the equipment. I know a bit of what this stuff does. It's helping maintain the tracks. And hello. Evidently, there must have been a switch here at one time to see the ties going off here. So this must have been a small yard at one time. Cool. And there's some of the remaining ties. Hold on. There's brand new railroad ties. You can smell the creosote in them. I'm always amazed by this kind of stuff. I really am. And here's the final machine up here, and I'll be walking back this same way, so you guys will see it coming back. Mind you, okay? Here's the last machine. It's just like the one up front. I'm going to walk back now. People who litter, I swear I hate that. What would be neat is if you took one of these and made it into like a small locomotive, like a small switch locomotive. That'd be cool. Yeah, here's where I guess the switch started at one point. Either that or it's like the rail and cast where it's an expansion rail. Actually, no, never mind, y'all. Look here. This is where the switch started, right here. See, there's the rail there, and then here's the other one, and here's where the ties would have branched off. Hold on. Yeah, here's where the other rail is, right there. And then here's a top plate that would have been on the switch. Good, still spiked down. So I would have been walking where another train would have been parked. So this must have been another yard switch, probably for the warehouse. This was all a warehouse. The Leathers building is all nothing but a huge warehouse. So they would have probably had this as a siding to go over there for the train to pick up the stuff being stored there or being dropped off. So yeah, I think actually, yeah, I think this might be some kind of magnet or some kind of crane, a claw crane. Now, like I said, y'all, let me know in the comments as to what all this machinery does, because I really don't know what all it does. All those new ties there. Looks like somebody was smart bringing water out on the job. There's one of those old maintenance away cars with the trailer. What's in here? Paint? Yeah, that's ruined. Well, yeah. See y'all later.